Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I come up with another video of BBMA. This is an advanced topic and this setup is called a nuclear setup. This is exactly the same which I explained in my BBMA basic series, but the naming scheme is different because it works more than 90% of the time, and this is a counter trade because on daily time frame the market is approaching for re-entry sell because there is a CSM sell on daily, but this buy is confirmed when I see this CSAK candle. You can see over here it breaks the MA510 high and mid BB, so it forms CSAK, and this EMA 50 is going outside, which confirms the nuclear setup that market is approaching to EMA 50. So once you see this CSAK candle, you mark re-entry zone, which is MA510 low, which I explained in my basic series. So after marking this re-entry zone, you can expect the market will go to reach to EMA 50. It can go further down or reach to EMA 50. So this is our expectation. Nuclear setup works more than 90% of the time, so I'm expecting that market will reach to EMA 50, or at least the next roadblock supply area, which I can see, but I'll show you in a minute. So once you mark the CSAK candle and you see EMA 50 is going outside the top PP, you mark the re-entry zone and then switch to one time frame lower, which is H1 time frame. You can see here low BB is really far away. It needs to be on the market needs to be reached to low BB. Low BB will come up like this. Market will go like this and rejects it, and then we will take our entry on M15 with CSAK and then go to EMA 50. It needs to form extreme over here, and we will go to a lower time frame to take our entries, which I have already explained in my previous videos, how to take entries in M15. Now I will check Bistra setup, naked chart. I'm not removing indicator, but I will check the naked chart in M15. You can also check in M30 and H1, but I'm checking on M15 if we have something near to our re-entry zone. M30 doesn't have anything. H1 I already checked, there is nothing. And M15 I'm checking in front of you guys. So I saw this resistance which broke with rally base rally. So you can see over here, this is resistance which has been broken by rally base rally, which is the next one. This is rally base rally. So this is our Bistra level, and I call it SNRC1. This is not my strategy, this is by teacher Nora, but this is SNRC1 and we can take our entry, and this is also aligned with re-entry zone, which make it more powerful to take our entry. So when Bistra level aligned with re-entry zone, I will not wait for the confirmation according to BBMA confirmation. I will just put my buy limits and wait for the market to react to that zone, because I'm very confident that it works when there is this SNRC or SNRC1 or SNRC2 and in Bistra level F5 aligned with re-entry zone, it works most of the time. This comes with an experience, and you need to sharpen your eyes. When you're pro and you do practice every time, and you see these kind of setups and trade these kind of setups every time, you will get familiar with these setups and you will understand what I'm talking about. At the moment you will not understand what I'm saying, but of course it needs practice, and everyone taste the losses at the beginning, and this is a part of the trading process and learning process. So don't think that everybody is a pro when they start. So somebody has to start from somewhere. So I would suggest practice these setups. These kind of setups are really, really powerful. Practice those setups and you will be pro on those setups. You will get used to it. um, I would not suggest to do a back testing. Back testing when the market is already formed those setups. When the market already formed those setups, then you will easily identify things. But it is difficult to understand when market is forming as a current market. Like now I'm doing it in front of you. It's a live trade. I did everything in front of you. So this roadblock I was talking about earlier, this is a roadblock. That's why I'm putting my TP until over here. So market already rejected that zone. I can see over here it rejected once, and this is a supply area. So I'm confident that it also rejects again. That's why I'm expecting that market will come to a re-entry zone. So we mark the zones, we put our limit orders. So now we'll wait how market will react. And like I said, I will not wait for the confirmation. That's why I put my limit orders, because it aligned with Bistra, and I'm pretty confident that it will work. So let's wait for our setup to work.
A few moments later.
Here you go, guys. Market react nicely on the setup. I marked my CSAK candle and re-entry zone. I put my buy limits on the Bistra level, and it reacts nicely. And over here you can see it rejects exactly the same area, but it didn't reject low BB. But that's fine because I already found the Bistra level. And here you can see it's about to reach the TP. It already broke the previous high, and now it's about to reach my TP. I will not hold for long, because there was a supply area, and you never know, market can reject again from this zone. So I will close at the TP level, and I will not change my TP. For you guys, I would suggest backtest this setup on demo. Don't test on already happened market. Always test on the current market, because BBMA results are 100% on the previous market when the structure is already happened. So I would suggest to test in a live market. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.